The Springboks capped off a remarkable 2025 campaign in emphatic fashion, dismantling a struggling Wales side 73-0 in one-sided test. Under Rassie Erasmus, South Africa completed a flawless Northern Hemisphere tour, following up their Rugby Championship triumph with victories over Japan, France, Italy, and Ireland. South Africa's dominance was evident from the outset. Gerhard Steenkamp opened the scoring early, capitalizing on powerful close-quarter carries from his fellow forwards. The Bucks' blend of brute force and tactical acumen was on full display when Ethan Hooker extended the lead with a scintillating try, finishing a rapid right-hand attack orchestrated by Damon Willemse, Jasper Wiese, and Mon van der Berg crossed before halftime, giving the visitors a commanding 28-point advantage. Despite missing key players, Wales showed glimpses of resistance but were unable to cope with the Springboks' precision and depth. Erasmus' side, also impacted by player unavailability, demonstrated why South Africa's squad depth is the envy of the world. Rugby. The second half was even more one-sided. Wilco Louw's close-range try was followed by a yellow card for Danny Plumtree, leaving the host a man down. South Africa capitalized ruthlessly with Sasha Feinberg Mngomezulu backing a brace and Canon Moody adding another before entry as the Hazen's score extended the margin further. Aaron's yellow card compounded Wales' woes as Eben Beth, Ryan Nochi and Feinberg Mngomezulu finished off the scoring in final quarter. The day ended in a sore note for the Boks. However, as Elspeth received a red card for dangerous eye gog on Alex Mann, ruling him out for the upcoming weeks. While Wales were never truly in the contest, the result highlighted the Springboks' evolution since their 2023 Rugby World Cup triumph. Their combination of physical dominance, tactical versatility, and squad depth makes them a formidable force heading into the 2026. Congratulations are in order to the Bucks. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.